characteristic table for SR flip-flop, table for SR latch, right? So if I am going to give S R as input and previous output is present state, I can call it as next state. Next state as NS, present state as PS, right? So now if I am going to draw the table, guys, tell me what is happening. So if I am going to have 0 0 as input and Q1 is 0, it is going to be same, right? When 0 0 as input, it is going to be in holding state. It is going to be in holding state. When 0 1 as input, 0 1 input, and your inputs are like previous states are 0 1, it is going to be always in the reset mode. When you are going to have 1 0 as inputs, and irrespective of the present states, I can get always 1, meaning that set state. If you are going to have 1 1 as input, irrespective of the present states, it is always going to be undefined. It is always going to be undefined. So I can call this as latch state, and this is reset state, set state, and undefined state. Right now, can we draw the Boolean equation for this characteristic table? Right. So what is Q1 plus 1 now? We need to take out all the min terms. Right. So how many variables are there here? 3 variables are there. So for 3 variables, we can draw a 3 variable K map. Right. This should be S or Qn 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. When you are going to get the 1 for 0 0 1 1, and this one you got because of 1 0 0 1, and for 1 0 1 you got one more 1, and undefined variables are like don't cares are from 1 1 0 and 1 1 1, and the remaining things all are going to be placed as max terms, right? So how can we combine? What the maximum subcube is possible? We can able to have the maximum subcube of size this 4. So what is the value of this one? Yes, right? Can I go with another one? This one? Yes. So this one is going to be as R bar Q1. So simply I can say the next state value as S plus R bar Qn. So this is the characteristic equation for the SR latch or SR flip-flop also, right? Simply signal is changing, that's it, right? So once we know the Boolean equation or characteristic equation, can we able to draw the circuit for it? Yes, right? So the input will be S and R is one more input, and this input I am going to make it complement to get R bar, and I am going to perform AND operation with what value? Qn. What is Qn actually? According to our understanding, Q1 is the present state or previous output, right? So how can we get the previous output? Can I do this like this? S plus R bar into Qn, you are going to get Qn plus 1, right? That same output I am going to pass here, right? So this is the corresponding circuit for the SR latch. Okay, Namma? Okay, fine. So guys, can we able to get the minimized table for this? Can we able to get the minimized table for this? Yes or no? So that minimized table I can call it as function table. Meaning that here you are going to simply reducing the number of variables. So meaning that you are simply for what kind of inputs you are going to produce respective output what, right? So if I am going to have the inputs as SR, Yes sir. What is the output? Q1 plus 1, meaning that we are simply reducing the third variable. How we are going to reduce the third variable? So if you are able to observe, when S, R are 0, 0, what is your output might getting as Qn? As Qn. So can I write like this? For 0, 0, your output will be Qn. Similarly, for 0, 1, what is your output? Irrespective of Qn, you are getting the 0 only. So I can write as 0. And what about for 1, 0, your output will be 1. 1. For 1, 1, your output will be undefined. So this is what we can call as function table, right? So reducing the number of variables, we can call it as a function table, right? Simply I have defined with the help of a characteristics table only, right? Similarly, I can define one more technical terminology, that is excitation table. Excitation table, meaning that if I know outputs, I can able to determine what are the inputs. If I know the outputs, I can determine what are its inputs. That will be defined with the help of excitation table, right? So try to observe. If I am going to have a table, yes or sorry. So what you are going to have here? Outputs are there for you. You have to define its inputs, right? So outputs are what? Present state is Qn. Next state is Qn plus 1. What about its inputs? Yes or? Yes sir, right? Now try to observe. Right? If you are going to give the present state as 0, next state as 0, what might be the its inputs? Try to observe here. If present state is 0, next state is 0, is there another combination is there? Present state is 0, next state is 0. Meaning that we are going to have two combinations where the present state is 0, next state is 0. What might be the inputs? One is 0, 0, another one is 0, 1. Can I write it as 0 and don't care variable? What does mean as 1? S is always 0 and R is going to be one time it is 0, another time is 1. I can represent like this. Similarly, if I am going to give 0, 1, one is present state is 0, next state is 1, what are the chances you are going to get? If you are able to observe, for 0, 1, you are going to have this case. Is there any 0, 1s are there? No. So you are going to get only 1, 0. 1, 0. Similarly, for 1, 0, what might be the SR inputs? For 1, 0, 1, 0 it is there. Any other things are there? No. So you are going to get 0, 1. 0, 1, right? Now, try to take out for one more case 1, 1. When you are going to have 1, 1 as input, 1, 1 as input, what might be its inputs? 1, 1 is this one and this also one more 1, 1, right? Meaning that this and respective thing. 0, 0, 1, 0. So how can I write this one? Pi 0. So this is what technically I can call it as excitation table, right? So this table, these two tables are used further on. Actually, as the concept came, I have explained here itself. But when we are trying to convert one type of flip-flop to another type of flip-flop or one type of latch to another type of latch, we are going to use these terminologies, right? So make sure to understand. Function table means simply representing in terms of output variables, right? And excitation table defines if I am going to give the outputs, what might be the its inputs that I am expecting. So I can define it as excitation table.